Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a super relevant topic: how to send money from the USA to a Nigeria bank account in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to family, friends, or for business, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. With advancements in digital banking, it's faster and more secure than ever before. First things first, let's talk about why you'd want to do this. In 2025, exchange rates fluctuate, but services have gotten smarter with real-time updates and lower fees. The key is choosing the right platform. I recommend starting with apps like Wise or Revolut. They're user-friendly and offer competitive rates. Traditional options like Bank of America or Wells Fargo transfers are still solid, but they might have higher fees. Step 1. Gather your details. You'll need the recipient's full name, bank account number, and bank's SWIFT code in Nigeria. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Nothing's worse than a transfer bouncing back. Step 2. Sign up or log in to your chosen service. For Wise, download the app, create an account, and link your US bank or debit card. It's quick and secure with two-factor authentication. Now, Step 3. Enter the amount. Select USD as you're sending currency and NGN for Nigerian Naira. Most apps will show you the exchange rate up front, so you can see exactly how much arrives. Pro tip: send during off-peak hours for better rates. Step 4. Review and confirm. Look out for any transfer fees. They can vary from 1% to 5% depending on the service. Once you're happy, hit send, and you'll get a tracking number to monitor the transfer. Finally, Step 5. Wait for confirmation. In 2025, most transfers hit the account in 1 to 2 business days, thanks to improved international networks. Always keep an eye on your email for updates. There you have it. That's how you send money from the USA to Nigeria hassle-free. Remember, stay vigilant against scams by using reputable services. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.